person also would be released as early as possible.
Hakajing persang man penbet ya kajing yakan at hapadeng kejat benrew karbi bat benar kebelawan ra na hakajing bu ya kerdop belum khajana daga karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KHASI Khanduli ki Shongknor Jong Regional Committee Jong ka Assam bat Meghalaya ken salai ban Jurip ya kasenong Khanduli ke badan West yang Hills District Hadien kajing rakhe ya kasni yo Leit lut Menteri Rangba Konrad ke sangma ula samlang ya kan kajing tip sya kinong pathai kubor nen kasni Konrad ula kubor bahkan ke kerdop lum khajana kadang don haduk mentah Khanduli Henry kamsem ladan syuk kanu kajing lum khajana
But as far as our knowledge goes, that the respective that location, the tax collection is as such is not happening anymore. But the gate is still there, and there is a bit of confusion between Assam government from KHD, the Karbi Autonomous District Council and the Assam State government and us, and that is the reason why the two chairmen are going there to resolve this issue and whatever the confusion that is there, to sort out those confusions so that we can have peace in the region again.